Who's there?
Watch this, Mommy.
Let's see. Wow.
Please.
Please what?
Please go.
Please, can you have what?
Please go first, please.
Please?
I'm going to have one more with the kids.
Is he hungry?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm
Oh, you want a goldfish? Yeah.
He is hungry.
Is he?
Yeah.
Are you hungry? There it is. What are you going to do with it? You going to put it in your mouth? Oh, wow.
He must be hungry.
You must be hungry. You're eating it. No? No good? No?
But they're good for me.
They're good for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, good. Oh, where's Oliver going? Oh, he's like, I've had enough of this snack stuff. I'm going to bed. No more snack? Really? You still have it, don't you?
Mom,
Not good? Too cheesy? What is it, Gavin?
Let's go.
What are we doing?
Let's go and watch Avengers.
Alright, we're going to watch Avengers. Our movie night.
What's the Adventures?
This has Iron Man.
That's right.
Like our daddy's shirt.
Uh-huh. Where's Iron Man on Daddy's shirt? Oh, is there 2 Iron Man on Daddy's shirt? Why are there 2 Iron Men?
This is the Avengers, and this is a different Iron Man. But these are different Iron Men, and they have different armor.
What are the different armors?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you know why these 2 are different?
I'll tell me.
Oh, can I tell you? Well, they're different because this was the first armor he ever made, and then as it got a little more high-tech, he made this one. And this one was the classic armor he had for many years. Almost like 30 years now.
Are they gonna fight?
No, they're not.
What armor?
They're friends. They're friends.
No, when there's different armors, they fight.
When they have different armors, they fight?
Yeah.
What do they fight over?
That was like I saw in the movie. I saw Iron Man and War Machine fight.
In the movie? What movie was that?
I'm the Superhero Squad one.
Oh, that's right. Do you know why they were fighting?
No. Can you tell me?
I'm not sure. I haven't seen that full episode with you yet.
But I'm not watching it right now.
That's right. You're not. How are those goldfish? Why do you like goldfish? Because they have sugar?
Let's go.
Let's go. What are we doing?
Let's go and watch Avengers.
Okay, we're going to go watch Adventures.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, guys.
You want to say good night to Oliver?
Oliver.
Good night,
Night-night.
Alpha.
Come on. Say goodnight. Say goodnight to Daddy. Yeah. Come on. Up. Kiss. There's Gavin. Gavin, say goodnight to him. Okay.
They guys don't like the big
What do you think he wants? You think he might want something? Look, he's trying to reach for one of your goldfish. Why don't you give him one more goldfish? I'm sure he'll like it. One more. Just give him one more, please. Good. All right. Good work.
Happy now?